Hey everybody, how you doing? My name is Michael Martinez and welcome to the Solo Piano Connection. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to place my iPhone in certain areas by the piano facing towards me. And sometimes when you're going live, if you just want a simple setup, you could just point your phone right to where you're playing and normally the sound will be pretty good. What I've got configured here is that even though you don't want to invest in certain equipment yet, maybe, and you just want a better sound, I've realized that placing the camera towards the end of the piano in a little bit actually gives a good sound, as well as other placements around this instrument will probably give you a good enough overall sound quality while going live. So right now I'm just going to show you a couple positions and you'll get to hear what they sound like. So as you're noticing right now, you could hear more of the room and probably not much of me. This is because the camera is all the way in the back and the microphone from your iPhone or device is picking up the room and the piano, so that may be an undesirable sound. I just wanted to revisit this camera angle to show you that sometimes you're not able to hear the person talk while the camera is far away. So if you have a PA speaker, you could just point it into the piano and hopefully you'll get a better overall sound while you're speaking. So they could hear you play and talk. So that's something you could do if you have a PA speaker and a microphone. So in my opinion, I really liked the camera that was placed towards the end of the piano. It had a very intimate sound and you were able to hear everything evenly. We're not looking at anything that's jumping out or causing distortion. So I really enjoyed that angle. Now you've noticed when you do place your camera further away from the instrument, you're getting more of the room sound and the piano. It's a distant sound and I don't like it because you're not getting the volume loud enough. So as a rule of thumb, moving your camera closer into the piano is going to give you a more focused sound, whereas moving your camera away from the piano is going to give you more of the room sound and the piano mixed together. Although I like the evenness of the piano, the sound, it's just too distant of a sound for me and sounds undesirable. You're probably thinking, well, yeah, I could place my phone where the keyboard is. Yes, sometimes that gives a good sound, but now you're sacrificing the angle. You're only able to see your hands and not your face. I'm assuming people want to see your face and your expression all at the same time while you're playing, so you want to pick the appropriate angle. So there you have it.
I just wanted to introduce you to some ways that you could just start getting involved in improving your sound quality right off the bat while going live. While this is not the best solution, it just gives you insight on how things work with the microphone inside your iPhone and how you can make things a little bit better. So thanks again for listening. Check out my website, solopianoconnection.com. Here I will give you all the videos and tips that you will find on miking the piano to going live, and also some tips on promoting yourself while going live. So check that out. Make sure to give this video a big like and share with your friends, and also join the Facebook group Solo Piano Connection. And let's collaborate, and I'll see you there.